Hey guys, it's Brink Slayer, and today I'm going to talk about my adorable kitty cat Shaggy. There's 10 things about Shaggy. She is a tabby. She is 2 years old. No, she's 4. She's so soft. Right now she's about to beat me up. Ah! When she squeal. Squeak, kitty! It's mad. I believe it has gray eyes. Let me check. Yep, it's green. And don't mind my TV. I'm just looking up YouTube videos. Nana likes to play! Come back here. There we go. Its favorite thing to do is sleep. And likes beating me up. Ow! That hurts, that hurts. It likes sleeping on my bed. And it's in half of my videos. I'm trying to get you close up. It's so adorable! I'm sorry, baby. See, it wants to be in this video, but it knows I'm gonna hurt it. No. Here, let me turn the camera towards you. Hey, stop being camera shy. You butthead cat. It's camera shy. Let's see. Plus I'm gonna show you every single video game I own. Yeah, some games might be gay, but I don't give a crap. Hold on, I gotta put this up so you can't see my room that well. Here, let me just do it like this. So there, shake weight. And I can still see me. I just don't want it showing a little bit of my room. I don't care that much. That's my gaming chair. So, I finally got 13 subscribers. I'm gonna do a video whenever I hit 20. And okay. Game number 1. Call of Duty Black Ops 2. You might not be able to see these, but I'm gonna tell you. Call of Duty Ghosts for these are all my PS3 games. Modern Warfare 3, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and here's all my Xbox games. Connect Adventures for Connect, Gears of War 3, Red Faction Armageddon, Call of Duty World at War, MLB 2K8, Bakugan, that's the gay one. One of my favorite games, Medal of Honor, Warfighter, Limited Edition. Skylanders beat it. That took forever. Call of Duty Black Ops 2 for Xbox. Yeah. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 for Xbox. Skyrim. MLB 2K13. And Just Dance 3. I'm getting Just Dance 4 in 2014. Yeah, well, that's it for the show. So, hold on. One more special look at my hot kitty cat. Yeah, on. I'll just do this instead. David Price, stay still. Good boy. Shaggy, they want an encore. And there's the adorable kitty cat. Well, see ya.